What's happening, guys? Today's the day. We're gonna take off all these old plastics and graphics, set her up with some new. I also got a new rear tire too. I just replaced this front tire, so I don't need to worry about that. But I do got some new spacers that I'm gonna slap in there. Some black ones to match. Got a whole box full of goodies. Got my new pegs too, because as you guys can see, these are worn. Not much to them. Toast, so gonna hook it up. New seat cover. It's the fresh tire I was talking about. Gonna do oil change today too. Change out the filters. So let's get it. It's gonna be a good day. We got the first thing done. Some new black wheel spacers. Sweet. Let's keep it going. I think we're gonna go into the plastics next probably. Or I could just do the air filter. Yeah, this thing's grody. And that's only after 2 rides, dude. That's why you always gotta change that. Clean them, change them, do something with it. Alright, let's get it. I love that. It's got like the metallic sparkles in there. That looks so badass. 2 of my favorite bands, in case you guys are like, what the hell is Hatebreed? It's a heavy metal band. CFH is Cowboys from Hell for Pantera. Keep these a little finger tight. And then we're just going to run them in with the old drill. Impact drill. Mint. Give her a little slap. You guys get a look at that. Legitness. Is it on? Can't tell if I got it in the spot. In case you guys didn't know, there's little tabs right here on the front fender. There it is. That your number plate can sit on. Sit in, rather. And it kind of keeps it locked. Not locked, but, you know, keeps it down more. I'm not gonna lock this thing in there all the way because I got new bars coming, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Got some Makita bars, but I am gonna need it. Stink bug. These freaking things are everywhere. There we go. Just get her in place. Get your handy drill. I don't know about you guys, but that's already starting to look pretty gnarly. I am so stoked. In case you guys are wondering, Walmart for the win. This drill. I'm not rich by any means, so I go by the best budgets I can. Because shit is expensive. And if you ride dirt bikes, you already know. Dirt bikes are not cheap. I also got new fasteners too. You can buy these a lot of these on Amazon. So if you guys ever are looking for a new bolt kit for your plastics, because you know these things like to just run away. You can always hop on Amazon, buy some new ones. It's always good to have fresh ones. And then you can keep your old ones for spares in case one pops out on you whenever, you know, you're out on the trail or you're on the track, whatever. Whatever the case might be. Let's get these all set up. All right, let's see. Let's go to the side shroud, huh? Tackle both evers. Might as well just take this all off. Let's just get this all out of here. Zip zip. All right, got the black louvers on. Looking sick. All right, well, now we can go and take off the rest of this plastics over here. This was already put on, so this was done, so is my swing arm. Did that last time. If you guys actually looked at some of the stuff, you would have probably noticed that in some of the videos. So. Oh yeah, bolt underneath. I forgot about it. Tons of cruddy old bolts. And old plastics too. Just in case you guys are like, oh, what are you gonna do with your plastics? Probably gonna throw those on if I ever do like a woods race or anything like that. Maybe even for a real race, because I don't want to mess up these graphics and plastics, really. What happened to the other one in there? Huh. That's cool. I'm missing one. It's a good thing I got a whole new boat kit. That's the stuff I'm talking about, you guys. You never know. And we gotta get a wrench in there. Can't reach it from that way. Not with this eel thing. Maybe we can. Go. Shibby. She's naked. Well, we got this off right now. I'm just going to go ahead and swap out the air filter while it's already all exposed. Don't have to worry about that. Got that new twin air. Wipe out the inside of this box real quick though. So 1 second, I will be right back. Air filter done now, so go on to the next. Start slapping on the rest of these plastics. Alright, well, we got her on. Yeah, it's just that little square piece right there. It wasn't lining up right away, so you know, look at those decals. Rick and Morty! Back at it. Let's slap some side panels on. Jeez, baby. Look at that. Dude, they came out so awesome. I was so stoked to get this from Decals. And this is all custom made. I designed my own graphics on there. So, even cooler that I get to design my own stuff, then put it on my bike. Like, that's awesome. Huge shout out to my buddy Nathan, who helped me actually do all of this stuff. All the plastics, the graphics on my plastics. He even helped me out with my suspension when I was doing my suspension. Dude is awesome. If you're watching, thanks a lot, Nathan. Loud. In case you guys are wondering, you gotta line up these little plastic edges into the air box. Like so. Woo! Look at how sexy, dude. Sheesh. Dude. Like, legitness. Alright, you guys. She's all put together. I still got to put my other tire on and my foot pegs, but I don't have enough time today to get to that. But the graphics are all done, plastics all done. We did the air filter, the new front spacer. Hey you guys, Big Carl back again. This is Friday now. Like I said, it would probably happen. Got the new bars in, so we're gonna swap out these Renthal bars. These are the stock bars that come on there with some new Makita. These things are awesome, man. They also hooked me up with these awesome people. Most definitely recommend these. I haven't tried them yet, so I won't really know, but these are the Stewart and Villapoto Bend, the 966 I think it is, or 996. So we're gonna try them out, see how they go. They're gonna look awesome, I know that for sure. Stay tuned, guys. Just in case you guys aren't familiar with changing bars, the only thing you gotta do is take off the pad. You got these four bars, these four bolts holding down the bars. You gotta take off your controls. Simple. I'm also going to be swapping out my grips probably. I think I'm going to, since I got some fresh grips. Might as well throw those on since this corner one's kind of eating up some. Can always save these for spares. But I'm making this thing look nice, so I might as well, right? Alright, got the new bars set up. Also got on my new grips. This one's not all torn up. I think they look pretty awesome. Alright, now onto the foot pegs. And then I got to do the rear tire with the new spacers. And an oil change, and we're all done. And then I'll probably give her another wash, because there's a couple spots of some dirt still on there. I'm going to show you guys how to replace this peg. I have never replaced a peg, but it doesn't look hard. It looks frustrating. So the first move that I had to do was I had to take out this cotter pin right here in the back. There's this little tiny cotter pin. You got to remove that from the back side. And then this little washer is going to pop off. Now you got tension holding down this spring. So that's where it becomes the bitch. Luckily, it doesn't look like I'm going to have to move my brake pedal. Glad for that. That would suck. So this puppy comes out like so, and this puppy right back in there. And that's the only thing, is you just gotta make sure you line up your holes. With some tension. So get that puppy nice and pushed in there. Can't really see, but I'm also not going to move the camera because I'm not holding on to it. But there's that hole right there for the pin. You just got to get... Well, I got one side on right now. That was not as easy as I thought it was going to be. You have to put a lot of tension on this spring. So that was not a simple task. And then lining it up, trying to get that through. Best way that I figured it out was kind of like put something in there to help pry once you got it, because I could not get these holes lined up. That was my problem. Once I finally got like it close to it, I used something, pried it in there. You can also use needle nose, which I pushed in there too. And then it lined it up straight, got the first part in, tapped it through some. Once it got close to here, I pulled this down a little bit more, and then the pin just kind of pushed right through. Super easy, super simple. Like I said, it takes a washer on the other side here too, and then a new cotter pin, which I'm about to put in. So you guys will see when it's all done. All right, both pegs on. Check them out. This side was so much easier. I have no clue why, but that one was cake to get on. Not a single problem. So now we just got to do the new tire. So take off the sprocket. Slap that on the other tire I got over there. Slap on that new tire. And then oil change time. And she's ready. And then, like I said, I'm going to give it a wash, and then I'll do a video of the finished bike completely.